I'm fine.
What's your name?
Alan.
Alan.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, could you name for us three most dangerous places in Nairobi?
Most dangerous.
Yeah.
One is Kayole. The second one is Kibera or Kibra. The third one is Dandora. Yes.
Is there a reason?
Yes, because all those places, they are like a prison. Yes. You can just be walking, then from nowhere you're being snatched, anything. Yes.
So you wouldn't encourage people to go to these areas?
Just be safe, walk safe. Yes.
And you should I ever find myself in such a place, what advice would you give me?
I just tell you to shout. and if it is a fight, just run. Because it will not be safe for you. Yes.
And what do you think the government can do? What do you think is that one thing the government can do to bring change to these places?
Just improvise security. That's all. Yes.
Okay, so asante sana.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Sammy Lloyd.
Sammy.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the three most dangerous places in Nairobi?
In Nairobi?
Yeah.
One is Kibera, Kayole, that corner, Kayole corner, and Dandora.
Is there a reason for mentioning these three?
Yes. I myself have been living in Kibera. There are many gangs and many things that are happening there. So I support that. Yes.
You don't think there's any place in Kibera that is safe for anybody?
There is.
There is?
Yes.
Well?
For the Wadosis, the rich people. Yes.
So if the government could do one thing to change these places or to make it a bit safer, what do you think that one thing could be?
I think the government should provide to create more employment for the youth because they are the most people that are doing those things. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
I'm glad.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. I'm Wanami.
You're Onami?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, can you name for us three most dangerous places in Nairobi that in your opinion you feel like you wouldn't be safe if you go and walk around or...
Okay, maybe Nairobi, the whole of Nairobi County or Nairobi CBD.
The whole of Nairobi County, places that you wouldn't want to go.
Actually, let's talk of Huruma. Huruma, we have a place called Mlango Kubwa. We have a place called next to Kariobangi. There's a place there. That place, I was one day robbed. Yeah.
You were robbed?
It's called Kiamaiko. Kiamaiko.
During the day or?
During the day, it was around 12 in noon time. Yeah.
And people didn't do anything to help you?
People they are watching. Yeah, they are watching. Yeah, I was robbed by the way. It was 2021. Robbed my rent and my phone, everything went. But this is a dangerous place that I cannot maybe tell someone to go there just walking. Yeah.
What about one other place?
Another place, I think that's the place I've encountered so far, and I don't think if maybe there is other place. But let's talk of Shauri Moyo. Let's talk of the lakes of Mkuru, Kwanzenga, Korube, and those places. I've been there, but they're not.
They're not that safe.
This is also a disclaimer. Before you going there, wear like those people, because those people they wear just like t-shirts. In short, don't have better looks. Yeah, and if you're going there, don't have a
try to blend. Yeah,
no, not blending. I'm trying to say like if you go there, for example, time of COVID, if you go in those places and you have a mask, they'll know you're a new person.
Okay.
So just be like them. Yeah, like if you go to Rome, do what Romans do.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
I'm Joe.
Joe.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the three most dangerous places in Nairobi? Yani one that you can never encourage anybody to go.
First is Githurai 45. The other is Kibera, Dandora, Kayole. Yeah, those four places. Yeah.
Could you maybe give us a reason why?
Okay, I've experienced in Githurai. Someone was stolen the phone, Kayole, but now those two places have just hear people being that those places are pretty bad. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you think the government can do to change to bring change to these places, or what do you think is that one thing the government can do different?
Okay, first, the Ruto should kupunguza should reduce the the economy, I mean the currency, like vitu zimepanda. And create job opportunities. Yeah.
Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, woza.
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
MC Amba mwenyewe hapa.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, can you name for us 3 most dangerous places in Nairobi, in your own opinion?
Why 3?
3, you can name more if you...
The small capital K places.
Okay, for those who don't know where that is.
Kayole, Kibera, Kariadudu, Kariobangi.
Why do you say so?
Karioko,
Why do you say so?
Dangerous places. Yani place yenye unashuka kwa mati hivi kwa stage, unaanza kupiga nduru na hujaibiwa. Yani ndio ukifika huko mbele, ukipatana na wezi wanasema wewe ashashughulikiwa.
And have you ever had an experience in one of these places?
So many.
What happened?
Unatembea tu hivi uko na tenje yako kwa mfuko mzuri na amani, only to realize uliiwacha.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Morgan. I'm fine.
Yeah, you're Morgan.
I'm
okay,
Morgan.
So today we're asking Kenyans, which do you think are the 3 most dangerous places in Nairobi?
So for me, one is Dandora. That place is really scary. There is Kayole. Kibera.
Have you ever had an experience in one of these places? It's what you normally hear.
I have in Dandora. One of my friends was stolen a phone.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hey.
And what do you think what is that one thing you think the government can do to make these places better?
No, I think the government are the one who are encouraging this thing to happen. So what the government should do should at least lower life your safety to an extent whereby msezi kosa do kwa mfuko. Hizo ndio vitu zinaleta such thing. People are stealing not because they want. Mtu ana steal kwa mimi nataka kulipa rent na utembea na simu poa kama hii. Definitely I'll do what has never been done before. So the government should at least create opportunities to everybody. Na sio opportunity tu. Waachilie do iflow. Mtu akiona mimi nikiona sotana yangu safi kwa mfuko. Yote zima simu zenyu zinatembeanga tu lakini zinalipwa. Unaenda mtu anakuzia iPhone 13 10k. Unaona? So inaonyesha mtu alikuwa tu na need kadogo. So I think that is what the government should do, at least waeke kukuwe na create opportunity especially for young people.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Asante.
Okay, and what is that one thing you think the government can do to make these places better?
Okay, the other thing, actually, as for me, I do say, like those people just kill. If someone is a thief, just shoot to kill, because there is no remedy. If maybe you have your camera or your phone or your car, you have taken time to buy this item, and someone just take it because of 1, 2, 3 reasons. I think advising is not enough. Advising someone is not enough. For example, if you have you kill someone who start shooting those people, they will fear doing that. Yeah. And I do advise youth, but that still something that is quite expensive that can sustain you for the next 10 years, 5 years. Go and help other people like MPs in the parliament so that you can help them steal money from the government. Stop stealing phones, stupid things like this. Yeah, go and help those people, those corrupt people to steal money in the bank, maybe the treasury, everything. Go and help those politicians. But stealing a phone, maybe stealing, I don't know, the pass, everything, stupid thing.
Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much for your time.
Okay, welcome.